when I come around the bend, like the water heavy on the right hand side. Right? But piece of the road here. Come on and see the water in the middle of the road, float over in the middle of the road, and I carry in the road. You understand? Me pull to the left and to the back, right, on the shallow part of the water, where I started to reverse when I see the vehicle at the water. So I'm reversing, coming back up in the road now. It's like, you don't know, the rain fall hard behind me and come down. The water behind me start get enough up and come down the road now, right? Which when I start reversing, I'm going to feel the car come to a stop and I start go forward. Which after a while I don't have no control of the car start floating on the water. The car does have, the water does have the car float, so that's how the car does make a spin. The car does make a spin and it drop back in the gutter. Right in the gutter.
Then try to come out, yes.
But when I drop in the gutter, the four glass come out. And I said to her, and all I could think about is to make a body check and the car shaking. So all I could have done, I just tell them, say, right, don't pull the door. Because once I pull the door, you come into the water, watch out. So I just to the side. I wind on the window. Meanwhile, the water coming in, the water coming out of the car now, let's come up to the window. Alright, the girl on the front, when I'm on the window, the girl on the front come out. Me come out, the other two persons behind me now, and I walk on this new side come out. Which when me come out now, and I look for the other girl that comes to the window. When me come out, I look for the other girl that comes to the window. I don't see the other girl, and the door will say, oh. Right, she open the door. I'm going to explain, so don't pull the door. So she pull the door now, the water come through this side now. Force the door with her when she open. Force the door, push the door, and she come out same time. Right on the water and shine. I find her a couple chains down the road where it's like, when if I come out, she come out of the water. Right, and her foot start go down the road and somebody see her, or if I find her in the water, but she was alive when they find her and she got her hospital.